In this video, I'll show you how to join the CSGO Discord server on mobile. From your home screen, press on this green plus icon to the left, and then down at the bottom, tap Join a Server. Inside this invite link box, this is what you're going to type: Counter Strike. Make sure it's all one word and you spell it exactly like that or it won't work. And then tap Join with Invite link. You'll see you've been invited to join the Counter-Strike Discord. Press Accept Invite. And then tap Confirm at the bottom if you get this captcha message. However, not everyone does. That's going to load us into the CSGO server. First of all, there's going to be a server onboarding when it's going to ask two questions. The first is select your region. And then it'll also ask what do you want to be notified for. Then you need to read and agree to the server rules. After that, you'll now be inside the server. So if you found this useful, please like and subscribe.